Think twice before you throw away that empty bottle. What if I told you it could actually help you catch mouse without even spending a single penny? So here's the thing. Let's take that bottle back and place it on the table. This time, we only need simple tools that you can easily find at home. No extra cost at all, not even a single cent. Take a cutter and carefully cut a straight section of the bottle. We're gonna use the cut up part as the entryway for the trap. Make holes on both sides of the bottle. You can use any method, but here I'm using a screwdriver tip that I've been heated with the lighter. Slide the chopstick through the bottle like this, and if it's hard to find a chopstick where you live, just use any stick-shaped object that you can put through the bottle. Grab a rubber band and hook it onto the chopstick. This will let us figure out the best length for a maximum snap when the trap is triggered. Using the rubber band as a guide, I mark the best spot to make another hole in this bottle. Make a hole in the marked spot and do the same thing on the opposite side. Again, slide the chopstick right through the bottle, just like we did earlier. Attach the rubber band across both chopsticks. This way, it will naturally pull the front piece of the bottle we already cut. Here, I'm cutting off the part of the sticks that looks too long. Punch another hole with a heated screwdriver, this time on the bottom side of the bottle. Get a piece of string and tie it around the bottle's neck. Next, measure the length from the neck of the bottle to the hole at the bottom. Then create a circular knot like this. Pay close attention because this is like one of the most important things. Pay attention here, the string will work like a trigger to close the trap. Now, take a small piece of wire and bait it like a fish hook, just enough to hold the bait. Here, I'm using fish meat as bait because of its strong smell, but you can use any bait you like. Place the bait inside of the trap and make sure the straight part of the wire is left outside. This will be the point where we attach the string to the trap. Let's see how it works. Look at the wire I'm holding. Imagine this is the mouse. When the mouse tries to pull the foot, it triggers the wire, which pulls the string and makes the bottle snap shut. Boom! No mouse can escape this trap. Super cool and really easy, right? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more ideas. See you guys in the next video and thanks for watching.